Of organization, Google Keep is a great tool for keeping you up to date on your assignments and any other chores or responsibilities that you have. You already have Google Keep on your MacBook, but we really haven't introduced you to the app this year. You can find it on your MacBook by going to the Launchpad, and you should find this little post-it note with the little idea icon over here. You can take it and drag it to your toolbar in the event that you want to use it. We highly suggest that you do. As you can see, I certainly do. One of the great things about Google Keep is that it's universal across devices. I've got it here as an app on my MacBook. I've got it here at keep.google.com, which is accessible from anywhere you can access the internet. There are apps from the App Store for your, and also from the Android Store for your phones, for your tablets. Because of this, you'll always have your to-do list no matter where you go. This is seriously my to-do list, except for the science class. The science class here is just being used as an example. Here, I'm going to want to take a note. You can take a note two ways. You can either make it just a plain note, or, and this is more useful, you can do it as a new list with checkboxes. The way that you do this is you click this specifically. You can take a general note by just writing something in here, but this will help you with the assignments. I'm going to name my note the title of my class, Spanish. Finish project about conversation, study with a quiz on Tuesday, finish report on Dia de los Muertos. So these are all things that I know I need to do. First, I can create a reminder. I need to study for that quiz on Tuesday. I can pick a date and time that's going to let me know to study for that quiz. Here, I'm going to pick next Monday, and I'm going to pick evening so that I'll remember. You can even have it repeat if it's something that you know that you need to do every week. I can add a collaborator. Maybe somebody is working with me on my Day of the Dead report. I can add a collaborator by typing in their email, and I can add them to my note. You will hit save. Lastly, I can color code this. Maybe I know that everything that I'm doing in Spanish is going to be colored orange. Maybe it's really important because I'm not doing as well in that class and I want to make it a priority. I can color code it so that I can still see it, but it also gives me an indication of what I'm actually writing about. Additionally, you can add images. You can archive it. If everything is done on this, you can add it to your archive. So your notes are never lost, but they are put aside so that you can see what new notes are really taking your attention. There are a lot of little other items that you can do, but I don't want to get you guys confused. You can use the Google app on your phone. You can actually take notes by speaking to it. You can even make shopping lists. You can take text out of images, but these advanced features are not as useful as the simple feature of creating a post-it note and being able to check off when you've finished an assignment. You can keep a running list of all of your classes, and when you're done with those classes, you can archive it and it won't be on your board anymore. This is Google Keep.